Homeopathic treatment. Homeopathy is a wonderful science that treats H. pylori with natural and safe medicines. In H. pylori infection, homeopathy is the best alternative treatment. These medicines stimulate the disease-fighting mechanism of the body to fight the H. pylori infection. As the healing system of the body is strengthened, the disease is completely eradicated. Homeopathy works especially well in the initial stages of H. pylori infection by providing symptomatic relief as well as preventing further progression of the infection. However, even in cases where pathological changes in the gastric tract such as gastric ulcers and gastritis appear, homeopathic medicines have a good scope of healing the H. pylori infection. Top homeopathic medicines for H. pylori infection. The top recommended homeopathic medicines for H. pylori infection are Arsenic Album, Phosphorus and Nux Vomica. 1. Arsenic Album, for managing burning sensation in stomach. Arsenic Album is a highly recommended medicine to manage burning in stomach. The burning sensation is very severe, which gets worse at night. Taking warm drinks offers relief. Nausea and vomiting may appear after eating or drinking something. The sight or smell of food may trigger nausea and vomiting in such cases. Weakness and weight loss may also attend. The use of this medicine is also indicated for stitching or stinging pain in abdomen. This medicine is best for treating gastritis as well as peptic ulcers. 2. Phosphorus, for burning sensation relieved by cold drinks. Homeopathic medicine phosphorus is helpful when there is marked burning pain in the stomach, which gets relieved by cold drinks. Nausea and vomiting, bitter or sour burping may attend. Soreness is felt in the pit of the stomach. Like Arsenic Album, phosphorus is also an important medicine to treat gastritis and peptic ulcers. 3. Nux Vomica, for managing stomach burning and vomiting. Nux Vomica is very helpful in managing burning sensation in stomach and vomiting. There is vomiting after consuming any solid or liquid food, even the smallest quantity of water is not tolerable and vomited soon. There is rumbling and gurgling in the abdomen and the abdomen feels distended with gas. Pain is felt in the abdomen and passing stool brings momentary relief from pain. 4. Colocynth, for H. pylori infection with marked abdomen pain. Colocynth is an effective medicine for H. pylori infection with abdomen pain. It is best indicated when the infection is characterized by agonizing, cutting pain in the abdomen. Pain of colicky, gripping nature is also treated well with Colocynth. Pressure and bending double, bending forward and downward at the waist, relieves pain. It is well indicated to manage gastritis. 5. Carbo veg, to manage bloated abdomen and burping. Carbo veg is the most helpful where bloating of abdomen is a major concern. There is distension of abdomen with flatus. Sour burps are prominent in such cases. Burning sensation and soreness is felt in stomach. 6. Ipecac, for H. pylori infection with intense nausea and vomiting. Ipecac is prescribed when nausea and vomiting are experienced. Nausea is present all the time. Vomiting of white glary mucus or food appears, but the nausea is not relieved even after vomiting. Ipecac is one of the best homeopathic medicines for H. pylori infection with symptoms of this kind. 7. Antimonium Crudum, homeopathic medicines for H. pylori infection with belching. The most effective homeopathic medicines for H. pylori infection along with belching is Antimonium Crudum. It is recommended when belching is constant. Belching in such cases tastes mainly of eaten food. Dyspepsia and vomiting may also be present. 8. Natrum Phos, for burps having sour taste. Natrum Phos is one of the best homeopathic medicines for H. pylori with belching of sour, acrid nature. Water brash may appear along with belching. Intense acidity and flatulence is also marked. 9. Lycopodium, for H. pylori infection with bloated in lower abdomen. Homeopathic medicines Lycopodium is recommended for H. pylori infection with a bloated abdomen in the lower part. Lycopodium is helpful when abdomen gets bloated soon after eating. Little eating leads to a distended abdomen in such cases. This is often attended with dyspepsia, gas, and burping. 10. Top homeopathic treatment for H. pylori infection with peptic ulcers. Natural medicines Argentum nitricum, Colocynth, graphites, and uranium nitricum offer the best homeopathic treatment for H. pylori infection that leads to peptic ulcers. Argentum nitricum is most prominently suited for treating gastric ulcers in this condition. The main symptom is pain in the stomach radiating to other parts of abdomen. The pain is mainly of stitching, gnawing, and burning in nature. Colocynth and graphites are two other wonderful homeopathic medicines for H. pylori with peptic ulcers. They are prescribed when gastric symptoms include burning pain in abdomen, belching, and nausea. All these symptoms get better with eating. Uranium nitricum is useful when burning pain, nausea, vomiting, bloating and burping are present.